Okay, so sticker Trove arrived. I was not expecting it because I didn't saw a message or anything, but all right, let's have a look. I opened it already, but I didn't have a real look at it, so let's see. Oop. Okay, first the album. Don't mind the mess, I don't care. You shouldn't care either. Plastic. So, good. Okay, so the actual sticker Trove sticker album that is a little bit kaput. Yeah. So this, oh, nice idea, but yeah, so here's a ziplock, which is a nice idea, but yeah, it damaged the front, which is a pity, really. Yeah, here. Anyway, that's how it is. So, yeah, inside, of course, there's nothing because that is where the stickers belong. But what is this? Okay. Oh, that's not, oh no, that's not, oh no, that's not good. Okay. Oh my. Okay, so yeah, the sticker album, beautiful, but the design could be better. Yeah. So, because I don't know, I was like, okay, I don't know what this is. I don't know what is going on. I have to admit this is a little bit weird. I'm used to metal springs. I don't know what it's called in English. So, whatever. Okay, so that is that. Let's do the stickers last. Let's have a look at what is going on in here. Because as always, I didn't pay attention to what is actually unlocked and what is extra and stuff like that. So, ooh, and those are the sticker sheets. Adorable. I'm not calling you a good boy, Sanji. Okay. Ah, yeah. Ah, nice. They're all kids. Cute. Some doll. Oh, mermaid is over, but still, this is adorable. Ah, sticker Trove is this. Second. Wait. Can we? No. I don't know. There should be a way. Ah, haha. Yes. Yes. Okay. Okay, I take it as a win. This might be better than the metal version, where you have to actively push these. Okay, wait. So what I will do is keep the damaged one on the top and add the other ones, sorry, to the sticker. Oh, and this is for the back. Okay, I get it. Go in. Come on. Yep, nice. And back. Doop, doop, doop. Okay, enough with that. So yeah, okay, that's really nice. That is such a nice idea. Well done, well done. Okay, I take this as a win. Is there anything else inside? Nope. Okay. Stickers! Oh, those are so many stickers. I wish I could do a whole video of just putting these in. Maybe I will do that at another time. Let's just have a look first. Okay, you have to go to the side, Sunny. Now it's sticker time. Oh god, there are so many stickers. cute. Wait. Here, little Ace Kitty. What is delivery? Cute. Adorable. These are all so adorable. Nice. Very nice. Yep. Okay. Beautiful. Okay, let's speed this up. Oop, wait, I need to take them all in hand. Then, come here, Strohhut. So, how many are there? This is incredible. Okay. Whoop. Marine. Oh, okay, I get it. It's a cap. It's a cap with a tiny baby seagull on it. So. I know there are some glow-in-the-dark sticker in there. Should be. I don't know which one, but I just saw okay. Oh, beautiful. Now they are all really cute and really beautiful. I just don't see them. These are, not gonna lie, long lost brothers. Anyway. Oh, cute. Oh, less cute, but funny. Wanna try my goods? No, thank you. No, thank you, sir. Please go away. Hazard. Beautiful. No, although the creativity is amazing. This is really, I think this is, okay. Yeah. Ooh. Ah, a little garden. Yes. Ooh. Glitter. See this? Beautiful. Nice. Oh. Oop. Fabulous. This is too fabulous. Oops. Nice. Very nice. Very, very nice. Okay, I was like, Aussie? Aussie? Ostdeutsch? No, it's so. Sorry. Ooh. No, this I'm glad I got this because I love stickers, and I will love to make a video of putting them in the sticker booklet and categorize them on whatever. I'm not sure yet. Characters probably, because I'm like, yes, I need characters to be with the other selves. Oh, this is nice. This is, oh, Brooke and Laboon. Happy Pride. Nice. It's very, very cute. Oh, wait, this is see-through. Good. This Oda is in there, and a flamingo. Okay. Oh, Tashigi. Okay. There's, oh, see this? See-through. Oh, Tom? No, wait. Puffing Tom, yes. Puffing Tom twice? I am a bit confused, but fine. I'm not... But wait, let me see. I need to... Ah, it's Smoker. It's Smoker's jacket. Okay. Ah, Buggy. Ah, some Rayleigh too. Huh? Kainu. Good. So much going on. Oh, Kaimi. Ace. Ice. It's very warm today, so that is fitting. Yeah. This is amazing. This is an amazing idea, an amazing concept. Ship in a bottle. Beautiful. Good for Nami. And here are the glow-in-the-dark stickers. So nice. So very nice. Love that. Okay. So, and Soul King Brook once more. Okay. Now, one moment. Okay, because while we are at it, I got the album, the booklet on the left, at a con I visited from a friend, because yes, some people really enjoy to create useful merch, and it basically still says early bird wants the sticker. And yeah, I have some other stickers in there from various other scenes, and of course I will put these stickers too in the sticker Trove sticker album. Again, I hope I can make a video of just putting One Piece stickers together in an album, in a booklet. So yeah, don't ask me which scenes these are from, I can't tell you, but I need to just show my awesome collection. Lots of them are from the, I know these are obviously from the Women Wanted scene. These are from the Nami scene that was, I think, Running the Waves. This is also Women Wanted. This is other stuff, and this is also Women Wanted. So yeah, some very, very nice One Piece stickers. These were from the tarot set, if I'm not completely mistaken. And this is obviously from the rock, what was it? I think it was a rock and roll scene, I don't know. And yeah, so let me have a look, because I have more here. Straw Hat Moods, Love is Food. I think those were from the oh, what was it called, with the Barati restaurant themed one. Oopsie. Yeah, I think those were all from that. Battle Fruits, love that one. Milk Cartons and Say Cheese. So yeah, all of these stickers will be put in, oopsie, Entschuldigung, sorry, in this little booklet, and I will maybe make a video of that, because I assume that could be very satisfying to watch. So yeah, see you then.